सो हेलो गाइस, आज की वीडियो में हम देखेंगे मिन्ना नो निहोंगो लेसन 23 की वोकैबलरी। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। किकीमास मीन्स टू आस्क। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सेंसे नी किकीमास मीन्स टू आस्क फ्रॉम सेंसे और टू आस्क फ्रॉम टीचर। मवाशीमास मवाशीमास means to turn. Hikimas hikimas means to pull. Kaemas kaemas means to change. Savarimas savarimas means to touch. For example, doa ni savarimas means to touch a door. Demas demas means to come out. Ugokimas ugokimas means to move or work. Arukimas arukimas means to walk. For example, Michi o arukimas means to walk along a road. Watarimas watarimas means to cross. For example, Hashio watarimas means to cross a bridge. Ki o sukemas ki o sukemas means to pay attention or to take care. For example, kuruma ni ki o sukemas means pay attention to the cars. Hikoshi shimas means to move. Basically, it's referred to when you are shifting from one house to another. Denki ya means electrician. Nani nani ya it means person of nani nani shop. Okay. Saizu means size. Oto means sound. Kikai means machine. Sumami means knob. Kosho means breakdown. Michi means road or way. Kosatain means crossroad. Shingo means traffic light. Kado means corner. Hashi means bridge. Chushajo means parking lot or car park. May means nth, indicating an order. Oshogats means a New Year day. Gochiso sama deshita. Gochiso sama deshita means that was delicious, and it is said after eating or drinking. Tate mono. Tate mono means building. Gai goku jin do roku. Sorry. Gai goku jin do roku sho. Gai goku jin do roku sho. One more time. Gai goku jin do roku sho. Alien registration card. Basically, alien registration card is nothing, it is a different name for green card. Okay, so this is it for the today's lesson, guys. I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe the channel if you like the content, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you once again.